Okay, so we're in an area called Caho. It's like Caho Village. I'll be talking a lot more about it in a minute. So we're gonna go down and then into this small little town, and we're gonna create a driving video. Could walk it actually. Over there is the prison, so that's actually the prison. We're basically in Koloan. So what I'm gonna do is jump in a car. This is Our Lady of Caho Street, down that way. A little bit of a school as well. Okay. So let's check out Caminho da. Let's just get in the car. Okay, we got another slice of Macau for you. Let's put this up on the map so you can see exactly where we are. Without further ado, let's just get right into it as if you're there yourself. Another slice of Macau. Okay. So, okay. So not only is Macau filled with lots of cool streets everywhere, we also have some roads out in the hills and mountains. So we're gonna go down this one-way street. Sorry, two-way street, but it's like a really narrow street going through a little town called Caho. Caho has an interesting history because it's connected with, rumor has it that it's allegedly connected with the Triads. So when Triads were quite busy, I don't know about 2025, but like historically a long time ago, I guess this was kind of like a really narrow little road that they could see if police were coming, and basically it's so narrow that you have to go quite slow when you go through it, because another car could come the same way. There's a dog like just lying in this road right there. I have walked it, so I'll put that as well of the time at the end of this video. I always put the last times that I was here at the same place, same road. When is the last time I was here, I walked to the right into kind of an interesting little area. But yeah, so all of these homes are part of this little Caho village, and I'm sure they all have a deep history, and I don't really know about the Triad connection, which ones they were in or anything like that. I have no idea. But as you can see, if another car came my way, it's very difficult to get over to the side in some of these areas. But yeah, little Caho village. Okay, so here comes a car, so you can see what I mean. So I'm gonna have to get, there's a little space right there to the, there we go. Okay, and so my other goal of getting out here as well is, a lot of times I film in the city itself, but I don't think people really know what it's like to be in Koloan and all the green grass and the mountains and the hills and the trails and everything like that. So this video will start here in this Caho, and then I'm just gonna get into other parts. I'm gonna drive maybe for like 7 or 8 minutes after this road as well, to kind of try to put stuff into context. And as you can see, they're not really good for walking. You have to walk in the road basically. And this road will actually come out here. Right to the above me, you can see a bridge. That bridge is connects one hiking trail to another hiking trail. And we just finished Caminho, and I'm just gonna drive into the other parts just for a little bit, just to give you some context of what it looks like. So now we're on a completely different road. I believe we're on Haksa Road, I think. I'll see a sign later. But yeah, so this is kind of what it looks like. Yeah, we're on Haksa Road, so we're going, the country club is to the left. And so you kind of have these mountains and trees, and they keep it like this. So it's very difficult to get permission to build out here because they want to preserve it exactly as it is. And the trails do go quite a bit further into everything. I'm going to go down to Miramar real quick because I need to have an ending spot for this video. Plus, you can see the beach. That's Haksa Beach right there. In case you didn't know, there's a restaurant here, and you can also park in here, which is what I'm going to do. So we had our focus street, which was Caminho. I'm going to park, maybe I'll park right here. And then right up there is a Miramar restaurant. And then right over here is the beach. So I'm going to walk over to the beach. I just had the camera. There's a sailboat way over there. I just had the camera going the whole time. There's Miramar right there. So yeah, the Caho is just kind of a slice of it, but this kind of gives you an idea. This is Haksha Beach. It goes all the way down. It's definitely worth filming as well. And you got a restaurant on the beach. And so yeah, that's kind of another slice of Macau. So I thought I would kind of give you a little bit more context of stuff. So yeah, Caho would be on the other side of this hotel right here, and this is on Haksha Beach. So really, Caho is the focus, and then this is just kind of just to kind of let you know that there's stuff out here on this Koloan side. And so we're gonna end the video right there. So anyways,